Here we have a 2017 Renault Megane Dynamic Estate. Beautiful car. The car just simply stopped and wouldn't start on my wife yesterday. So I'm just posting what I found wrong with the car. You have a unit here. I've disconnected. It's bolted down there, as you can see. So I've taken that bolt out, that little 10mm out from there. And I've disconnected these three little 10mm nuts off these here, there, and there, right? This is from the mains positive battery to the relay unit, okay? Or control unit, call it what you want. And then you have these two here, which are also power leads, right? These are power leads. Look, 1 and 2 there, okay? So on close examination, I found the reason. Now you can do a test like this with a phase tester, okay? Connect it to the negative terminal and then introduce it to here. And that'll tell you if you've got power, because that'll be connected to that and that'll give you power, okay? There to there, so you'll get power there. But if you don't have power here or here, then the issue is the nearest point to look for is here. This is a little fused area, and if you look closely into it, you'll see the split. Do you see the split there? Just on it there. Okay. So that's what's wrong. So now you can have that repaired properly, or have the unit replaced. These units are about anywhere from 150 to 200 online, so I'm not sure what you pay for them locally, but that's the issue. Simple little issue. So it's a simple fix, believe it or not. It's not a difficult fix. There's no huge amount of labor involved in that. And I'll put that together, and this car will be up and motoring in about 20 minutes, half an hour. Thanks for watching.